Hello mga kabayan, kumusta po? I hope all is well. Nahihirapan ka ba mag-open ng Philippine-based bank account abroad? Huwag po kayo mag-alala. Sa tutorial na to, papakita ko po sa inyo kung paano mag-open ng Overseas Filipino Bank or OFBank. It is a bank dedicated to overseas Filipino workers by offering products and services catering the needs of Filipino migrant workers as well as their families in the Philippines. Let's start! So what is Overseas Filipino Bank or OFBank? It is a digital-only and first branchless government bank that is wholly owned and subsidiary of Land Bank of the Philippines. It was created to cater the banking and financial requirements of overseas Filipinos, overseas Filipino workers, and their beneficiaries. Following its special mission, OFBank is dedicated in improving reliable and secure financial products and services to meet these requirements, including the delivery of quality and efficient foreign remittance services. Where are the branches located? Since OFBank is a digital-only and branchless government bank, it does not have a physical branch. All of its features such as account opening or fund transfers can be accessed online through innovative platforms. The OFBank mobile banking app and OFBank official website for the delivery of faster and more convenient transactions anywhere in the globe. However, Land Bank branches may accommodate the following transactions: claiming of ATM or debit card, replacing of ATM or debit card, deposit of checks and cash, and withdrawal exceeding 50,000 pesos. What are the types of account being offered? OFBank offers the following ATM savings account for overseas Filipinos, overseas Filipino workers, and their beneficiaries. OFBank Visa Debit Card for overseas Filipinos and overseas Filipino workers, OFBank Visa Debit Card for beneficiaries, and OFBank Regular Debit Card for beneficiaries for customers below 18 years old but at least 7 years of age. What are the requirements for opening the account? Have one of the following identification cards on hand for scanning and verification purposes for overseas Filipinos and overseas Filipino workers: passport, UMID, and PRC ID. So what are the features of the OFBank? It has no opening deposit requirements. There's no maintaining balance requirements. You can download the app in Google Play or Apple Store. Follow the process as it flashes on the screen. The ID acceptable are the passport, UMID ID, PRC ID for the OFWs, and for the beneficiaries, any ID commonly used in the Philippines. It uses artificial intelligence for KYC. Opening can be completed in 5 minutes, and it's insured by PDIC up to 500,000 pesos. So now, I will show you how to open an OFBank through your mobile app.
First, let's go to Play Store and download the app of OFBank. So, OFBank Mobile Banking. So, let's choose this one. Then, click Install. Okay, so let's open it. And then, there's terms and conditions here. So, we need to read all those things. Then, click I agree. So there's biometrics login phase. So let's just skip this for now. For Overseas Filipino Bank, we need to click open an OFBank account. Then click continue. So there are choices here: OFW, OFW beneficiary, or Overseas Filipino. So ano po yung Overseas Filipino? Anong pinagkaiba nun sa Overseas Filipino Workers? So yung Overseas Filipino, yun po yung mga Filipino na nasa abroad pero hindi sila currently employed. So nakatira lang sila sa ibang bansa. So for me, I'm currently employed and I am an OFW. So hindi ko po yung OFW. Then here's product selection. So I need to choose OFBank Visa Debit Card. And so nakalagay dito yung mga eligibility requirements: at least 18 years old, able to read and write, not suffering from any legal disability, with credible identification. And wala po siyang initial deposit na minimum. There is no required minimum monthly deposit. There is no service charge for falling below the minimum ADB. Required daily balance to earn interest is 500 pesos, and the interest rate per annum is 0.10%. The maximum ATM withdrawal is 50,000 pesos per day, and the interbank transfer fee or InstaPay is 25 pesos per transaction. There's no dormancy fee, and the PDIC insurance is 500,000 pesos. So that's the maximum deposit insurance per depositor. So let's click proceed. And so there are reminders. Make sure you have long, strong, and secure internet connection during application. Please have the following ready and accessible before you begin the application: your active mobile number and active email address. And please prepare one of the following: passport, UMID ID, or the PRC ID. So click proceed. And there's FATCA declaration here. There are questions, so are you a resident or citizen of the United States? No. Are you a United States permanent resident card holder? No. Then click confirm. Because it says here that please be reminded that the OFBank digital account opening is limited only to the Filipino citizens. Non-Filipinos are not eligible to open an account using this facility. Yeah, so I hereby confirm that I have read, understood, and agreed to the following terms and conditions. Then click next. Then you have to complete all the details: your first name, middle name, last name, birth date, contact number, and the email address. So sa contact number, there's lots of codes here. So since I'm living in United Arab Emirates, so reminders: password is case sensitive and should be 7 to 15 characters. At least one letter, have at least one number, not contain a special character. Okay. So click next. And then there's OTP verification. Yeah. So we will put the OTP there. Then click submit. So for your protection, please enter the one-time PIN that has been sent to your email address. Yan, submit. Ayan. User profile successfully created. So let's press continue. So there are security questions here. So please select challenge questions and provide the answer below. In case you forget the password of your mobile bank, you can still log in by supplying the answers to all challenge questions. So let's put this. Okay, so this is the next step: personal information. So we need to put all the details. Okay, then position. Click next. Account purpose, savings, and investment. Estimated monthly deposit. So, this is just estimation. So, di naman siya kailangan talagang monthly mag-deposit ng ganong amount kasi zero naman yung kanyang maintaining balance. So, please select the type of document photo ID you want to upload. So, sa akin, ang i-upload ko is yung aking UMID ID. Okay, so, let's take it. And click next. Then, click lang po natin yung enable camera. Allow. Okay, you have to put the ID number. Ayan. Then, just click next. Ayan, so may nakalagay dyan. Review and confirm. Please make sure the following details are correct before proceeding. And so, click lang po yung confirm kapag na-review nyo na yung mga details. And so, may nakalagay ng transaction reference number, your account number, your card number, your account name, date opened. So, kindly wait for your financial transactions to be activated within 24 hours. Should you wish to get your physical OFBank ATM debit card, just visit any land bank branch. Please present the ID you used during account opening. You may now log in to start your OFBank digital experience. So, ay may na-receive din tayo na message from OFBank. Mabuhay! Welcome to OFBank. Ayan. So, nakalagay din dun yung card number. Please secure this information. And after that, they will just click OK. So guys, in less than 10 minutes, more or less 5 minutes, naka-open tayo ng bank account sa Pilipinas for free. So ayan po guys, in less than 24 hours of mobile banking application, I received an email from OFBank saying that my iAccess account has been activated. So I can now view my account balance, pay my bills, transfer funds, and request for checkbook. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I will put the website and the links on the description box of OFBank for more information. Thank you and kindly subscribe in my YouTube channel. Kindly hit the notification bell for more updates. God bless and take care.